on Instagram. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes. Let's get into it. First, check your internet connection. Uh, Weak or unstable Wi-Fi can cause this issue. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. Next, clear your Instagram cache. If you are on Android, first head to settings, then search for apps, then tap on it, and then search for Instagram. Tap on it and then go to storage, then select clear cache, and that's it. If you are an iPhone user, you might need to reinstall the app to fully clear its data. Make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. Update often include bug fixes that can resolve this kind of issue. If you are still stuck, then try logging in from a different device or even through Instagram web version. Finally, if nothing works, it might just be a server side issue. In this case, give it a few hours or reach out to Instagram support for help. Alright, that's it. I hope one of these fixes worked for you. If it did, drop a comment and let me know. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.